Hey guys, it's Lauren. Alright, so in my last video, I did like a dark, evil demon. So in this one I'm gonna do something cutesy and like with pom-poms, freckles. I don't know. I don't do cute very well, so we'll see how this goes. Like, cute is hard for me. Okay, so I feel like I'm not gonna use the red, blue, or green. I think I'm just gonna use the yellow, white, pink, orange, and blue. I don't know. And I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup Luminous Blur Stick. Then I'm gonna be using a more liquidy foundation, the Clinique, that I don't usually use, but I feel like I want a more lightweight coverage. And then I'm gonna grab my Colourpop translucent powder. I think I'll do my freckles first and then set my face with powder with my Kat Von D Shade and Light, and I just take the darkest color, which, yes, this is gonna look crazy, but I swear it's gonna blend out and be okay. Not like that poor girl that did the henna and just f***ed her face up. I know this seems like a lot. It seems very dark. It won't be. 2 seconds. And then I'm gonna put on my Colourpop powder. Okay, now I'm gonna use my clear brow gel. Just put my brows. Make them better. I'm gonna use Latte, which is a Morphe brow pencil. So I'm going to put a bit of a pastel yellow in my inner corner.
Emily, I don't know.
So I think I'm just going to do some kind of color splotches, I guess, where like in colors that match. So I'm going to use a blue from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil. I feel like for this look I need to be like really high, so we're going there. I'm going to do like a pastel yellow. Okay, now I'm gonna do orange. I'm using like 4 different palettes and they're all just like sprayed out in front of me right now. I'm using the Morphe 35B and this is Smoothie. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the James Charles Morphe palette for Flashback and Pinkity Drinkity. So I just finished doing the colors on my face, and I'm just going to be putting the pom-poms where those dots are because the colors match. I feel like I want to really try to tight line a black liner. Sharpen that. So I'm going to start with a pencil and like smudge it out. I guess now I'm going to glue these onto myself. Eyelash glue. I guess I'll use eyelash glue. I'm gonna highlight. I don't know what lip is gonna go with this. Not bad. So that's Colourpop and Fluke. All right. This is my AVANT-GARDE pom-pom. A little bit of a simple glam and a purple lip, because I don't know. It's different. It's weird. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.